You already watch the video when it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another freaking video, and today we have Nino here with us. So in today's video, we're gonna do the smack or fact challenge. So I've been getting some requests to do another challenge. They didn't say which challenge, but do some challenge. So I'm here with the smack or fact challenge. Now Nino has 8 questions, I have 8 questions. And the whole point of this game is to
Slap each other in the face.
well smack him if he gets anything wrong, and I'll get everything right. Nothing wrong with that. Anyways, guys, before we jump into this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment in the comment section. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always showing me the support that you do. Alrighty, let's jump into this video. So I have this little booklet right here with my question inside of it. No.
It no matter cause
No. The first question is, do I have any scars?
Anyone?
Scars. If I have scars, you have to tell me exactly which one today.
Hold on. You sure? Okay. You sure you want to do this? Are you sure you want
Come
to
on
do
and
this?
tell me which are the scars.
You ask one question where. Alright, yes, you have scars.
Which part me have it?
You have one here. You have a next one. Down there, so.
Where?
Right here, so.
Me have nothing for me.
No, look. Hey, look at that. One is there. You have one right here. Here.
Alright, done. You get that right.
Your question now. Do I have any scars?
No, you don't have no scar.
No. Are
No.
you sure? Yeah, no. Fast forward. Alright, so I do have scars. And finger them. Probably can't see them, they're really fine. But
Then
right
them
there.
done a scar if you can't see them. The powder going to mouth.
I like to.
When me a baby, you see you will put powder. No.
No, we're not going to stop it.
Let's smack my heart for you
We're not going to
first.
stop it
Right?
hard for the first time.
Nino, if you ever lick me heart,
We're about to get this game on. Or
No,
the
I
powder
get this
will,
game
the powder
on.
will stop some
Come.
pain and all kind of things. We're not going to stop it.
I'll be like, yes.
You already watch the video when it. You already watch the video when it. Yeah.
Alright.
That wasn't hot. That wasn't hot.
It hot.
No, Nisha.
Hot.
That was not hot. It was wicked.
Hot. Alright.
Try.
Alright. Next question. Why not get this right? So let me throw my powder. You want to play rough? Here, rough. What is my mother's real name?
Your mother's real name? Done it. How right am I?
Oh, you know that?
Of course.
Me never tell you that. Oh, you know that?
You did. Next question. You will never get this right. What is my mother's first name?
Anne-Marie.
What?
Anne-Marie.
Hold your face.
Anne-Marie Thompson.
No, hold
Yes.
your face.
Yes.
Hold your face.
Yes.
What's her first name?
Anne-Marie.
Is it Anne or it's Anne-Marie? Make up your mind.
Anne.
Hold your face.
Anne-Marie. You damn wicked shit.
Hold your face. You
Anne-Marie.
said Anne.
No,
So,
me
you're
answer it correct the first time.
I think
Anne-Marie
it's-
Thompson.
No.
No, me get it right.
But me ask you one time, I'm asking for clarify.
No, you're not asking for clarifying. You just tell me say Anne-Marie. That you say all ago. You see, you're wicked and all that.
No, but alright. Alright.
Alright, we're gonna know the one now. What is my sister's middle name?
So I'll tell you soon, very, very soon.
What you do?
Hmm?
What you do?
You shy.
Oh,
Bear in mind. If you smack me,
what is my sister's middle name?
retaliation goes.
No, what is my sister's middle name?
Punch you low.
I never say nickname, I say middle name. Yes, man. Come put on your hand. You ready? Come, hold up. Ready? Set. Me not look at man, not look at.
This one. You shy?
Woo!
Feel accomplished?
Yes,
Feel.
I do.
Was that all of the strength that you have?
Yes.
I hope so.
Here.
Oh, the first basic school that I attended. That's a question.
Little London Basic School.
What the face?
No! I want.
Hmm?
And a Little London.
What the face?
No, but a Little London you go to school.
You sure?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you play basic school?
And an Orange Bay Basic School again. You never live at Orange Bay then time there.
How well?
Little London.
Hold your face, baby. Hold your face. I'm not gonna suck at it.
You go slap me at that. That's the safest time.
No, I'm not gonna suck at it. Alright? That will be the first suck at it.
Come read.
That's it.
That's it. Yes. Ramponino.
No, that's it.
That's it for you?
Yes, that's it.
What is the one thing that I don't wear whenever I'm doing makeup?
One thing I know wear when I do makeup. When I do makeup,
When I wear, put on, do my face.
when I wear. You never wear it?
No. Well, I wear sometime and sometimes I wear.
I don't know about your makeup foolishness them now.
I mean, do my makeup in front of all the
But I
while.
don't know what I use. I don't know what them there. You see, I have some powder, something.
And what me no use?
What's it when I use curl up your eyebrow?
Curl up my eyelash.
Yeah, lash. Mascara, that's the name.
Yes. Me no use mascara.
Yeah, I have to use mascara. Alright.
You sure?
If you're accurate, I'm sure. Am I right?
You sure?
Yes.
Me hardly use
I
mascara.
use mascara.
Hardly me say what me no use.
I guess you're not use it all the time a while ago when you did clarify.
Alright, me make the one they fly.
Oh,
Me make
God.
the one they
Would you know the high school that I passed to go? Which high school passed to go? Tell you already.
No.
Yes.
I want a school near to nowhere, so.
You asked me here.
May I ask? Come
Alright,
here,
if you
no.
give one clue, I forget one chance to smack him.
No.
Okay, then get this smack done and done.
Monroe College. Which school are the pass to go?
Come on, the face.
Which school are the pass to go? Me get it wrong already. Which school are the pass to go?
From?
From where the pass to go? Why would I never think about that? Come.
You know, watching the show there, thing I've been in slow motion and hear the opera, the fat lady sing. Me not stop
wicked.
hot. Shani, that's not hot.
Would like how you just put it one place though.
You realize me not stop hot. I want to
I was to go on a vacation anywhere
Mhm.
in the world.
Mm-hmm.
Where would that be?
Would that be near bed? Not me.
In a bed.
Where would it be?
London.
You know what you do? She make up some question, I'll make up some answer.
No, but I really like a girl London for you.
Which part of London did?
London.
I tell you what. If I was to go on a vacation, where would I go?
If you were supposed to go on a vacation, you would go nowhere.
Funny.
You're not like go nowhere. You're not like take trips.
Take trip away. Cause me not go, me want go.
You never ever tell me where you want to go once in your
Tell
lifetime.
her, you don't must know. Based on what me watch, based on what me
Where you watch?
fanatic about, you don't must know.
Anime City.
Yeah, say most things I'm gonna go and go Japan, go see someone there, man. You know, what the anime them. Oh, come on.
Alright, whatever, come.
Yeah, experience more than Japanese food.
Come now.
Everything. Yes, I know.
Like a crack minute.
Me not smoke. Yes, me not smoke her. Me not smoke her hard, no people. And she
Like
know
a
it.
crack minute.
And she know. And she has tear off the whole of my face.
Alright, now make it happen next
Alright,
time.
now make it-
What is the one thing?
Mhm.
Or what do I hate to do in the house? Like what the one thing I hate to do?
In the house. Out of my wash? Out of my wash? Wash.
Maybe I also you don't get it right.
Am I getting it right or not?
You don't get it right.
It's not well done, you know.
You wanna know what me hate to do? You wanna know?
If that's not, it's not.
You get it right, whatever. Come.
You can just crash with the coke.
Come now.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Go on.
Yeah, coke everything. What is the name of the anime that I've watched the most?
Naruto.
What?
Naruto!
What of you?
You watch Naruto every second. So Naruto. So which anime? And a One Piece. I'm gonna see watch over One Piece more than one time. You watch Naruto and go back and watch Naruto and watch Naruto and watch
Bear
Naruto.
in mind, One Piece and Bennett. The only reason.
No.
Naruto have 1,500
No.
episodes, One Piece have 900 and odd. If you count it the amount of time I rewatch them, rewatch One Piece more than twice, more than 3 times, and rewatch Naruto 3 times, and One Piece
So
have
One
more
Piece I
episodes.
answer.
You know.
Yeah!
Alright, no me head, woman, no me head.
Sorry.
No me head. Me see, sure. No
We
me
get
head, man.
excited Ireland. So people talk to me. You know, like he white enough. Come.
You know why I'm not like one? You know why I'm not like one?
Alright!
Because I'm the winner of this game.
No, unfortunately not. Looking in your ears what? That's what me not look good in your face. I be asking. Anyways, people. So that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about.
I said what ears now. What were you saying about ears now, huh?
People.
That
We're
was a
gonna
bonus for the time when she tell me say black is one color and black is not a color. But me I go and work. Man. Don't bother with that, man. Don't bother with that.
So people, this is the end of the video. And you're gonna finish powder.
Done.
Bye.
Yeah, that was one.